Okay, so welcome back. Now in this short clip, I just want to talk to you about the best way to experience this course and the best way to get the most out of it. Now if you read the blurb on the front page before you signed up, you'll know that I don't just rely on the watch and listen type learning within these courses. You see, watching and listening is the traditional way, and that's great, I get that. We have to watch stuff and we have to listen to it because it's hitting two of our senses, so we get some learning from it. However, if we don't experience what it feels like, we don't keep that learning, we don't keep it inside us. So I want to provide for you in this course a fully immersive experience for you, so that you don't just see it and hear it, but you feel it as well. You experience it in your nervous system. So without doubt, with 100% certainty, the best way to get the most out of this course and the best way to experience this course is to get involved. Now throughout this course, I'm going to throw in what I call experience videos, immersive experience videos. They are videos where you get involved, where you're not just sat there taking notes, watching me waving my arms about like a bit of a loony. And yes, I know you're sat there going, yeah, he does do that. He is a bit of a loony waving them arms about. I know you're sat there doing it. Because I don't want you doing that all of the time, because I want you to experience it. There will be some videos where I'm just going to put a photo up on the screen and then talk to you. But at those points, I will ask you to find somewhere nice and comfy to sit maybe. I'll ask you to sit somewhere nice and comfy where your back's supported, where you can put your legs up if you want to, where they can be down, and where you can put your laptop, tablet, phone, whatever you're watching this on down, and have it either with some earphones in ideally, or at least on speakerphone, so that you can just listen and experience what we're going through. Now again, I do that because that really gets into your emotions, your feelings and your nervous system. And then the learnings stay in there. Those learnings stay in and don't leave you as quickly. Now would you believe that if you go to a traditional course like this, or whether it's even in person, whether you're sat in a room with 25 other people and there's a lecturer or an instructor up at the front, and you watch that and you pay maybe thousands of pounds for one of those. If you go to an NLP course or a coaching course that's a week long, you pay thousands of pounds and you sit there and you take all the information and you write it all down. Would you believe that science shows that within 48 to 72 hours you've lost between 70 to 80% of that information up there? 70 to 80%. That's bonkers. You think about paying £4,000 or £5,000, dollars, euros, whatever, wherever you are, and then losing 70 to 80% of the knowledge within 3 days? Wow, that's incredible. So that's why I want to make sure you experience that video, so you experience what's going on. That way you take the knowledge and learning in. And science shows if you take it in, if you take it into your nervous system as well as into your mind and your brain, then your learning capacity actually goes up to 70 to 80%. You actually retain so much more knowledge. The learning is in the doing. The learning is in the experiencing, not just in the watching and listening. Now, there will be videos where you just get to watch and listen. They're not all experience videos. At those points, I really suggest you take some notes if that's how you work, if that's how you learn, or you at least pay attention. Don't get distracted by other things. Now, so many things in this world can distract us. So having some earphones in so you're not distracted around the noise around you, or the kids screaming, or the dog barking, or the cat meowing, or whatever the distractions are. Take the time to really be involved in this course. Don't get distracted. You might just miss a key point that will help you when you've got a client sat in front of you and you're going, oh my God, Graham told me this was going to happen. I got distracted. I'm not sure what to do. Well, yes, I did warn you. You can't say there fairer than that. I have warned you. Please pay attention. But the best part about this Udemy system that you are watching this video on is that you have lifetime access to it. So I do highly recommend revisiting this course more than once, maybe twice, several times if you can, or if there's certain videos that really make you think, oh, I'm not sure about that, I need to go back and watch that again. Go back, watch them again. Get involved. Use the techniques. When we get to this part of the course, use the techniques that I'm running you through. Do it with me. Do it a few more times so that you really get them ingrained. It doesn't matter if you're not feeling that particular way, whether, if we cover anxiety, for instance, and you're not feeling anxiety and you don't suffer with anxiety, just by doing the pattern is not going to give you anxiety. It's not going to hurt you in any way. It will free something else up. You never know. So get involved, do the patterns as we're going through, and really get involved with the experience of this course. That is by far the best way to get everything you possibly can out of this course. Now, just completing this course is one amazing step forward in your learning and your growth. However, it will not make you competent. It will give you the certification. It's a practitioner certification course. It will give you that. However, it will not make you a competent practitioner. That only comes with practice. That only comes with repeated practice time and time again. And we're going to look at something called the learning circle in the next video to really explain why you need to practice, practice, practice again until things become natural. So we'll do that in the next video. I'll see you there. Until the next video, thanks for watching. Bye for now.